So this box today is a collaboration amongst all of us that are in Sonnet's membership group. So what happens is we send a mystery box of thrifted items to another participant. I received my mystery box from Cindy Liss at Spark of Vintage, and you'll need to go follow and see where what I sent to Sondra at Midwest Charms and see what she does with the items that I sent to her. But I have not opened this. This is a surprise. So let's open it together, see what I got. This is exciting. I've never been involved in a collaboration like this before. I hope I'm up for the challenge. Okay. Love that. All right, right on top we have what looks like an unfinished project. It looks like a little cedar box. I love this. This is going to be fun. I have an idea for this already. Thank you so much. Oh wait, we have a card. Have fun, Cindy, from Cindy at Spark of Vintage. I'll read the rest of it later. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, wow. Oh, I love these bags. These are, I have several of these. I love these. This is a great find. Okay, what do we have in here? We have some recycled Treasures paper. This looks like it was from the Maker's Box. We have another recycled Treasures paper. Wow, she is just really giving me a lot to work with. A napkin from one of the Maker's Box. We have lots of different molds. Ooh, I like these. I haven't seen these molds before. I have a rooster and some more roses, and oh, these are great. Some roses and hearts and fleur-de-lis, and oh, well, Cindy, you are spoiling me because these are wonderful and this bag is excellent. That's going to be so much fun to work with. All right, it's like Christmas. This is so fun. We have something that's wrapped up here. Oh, I like this. It is a really nice candlestick. Okay, I can do something with that. She's taking it easy on me because it's my first time. I'm sure that's why. And then we have a little house frame like that. Can do something with that. We have a cute little groundhog. I don't know if I want to do anything with this. I might have to keep this one for myself because I was born on Groundhog's Day. So I might have to keep this. Thanks, Cindy. That's cute. And then we have, oh my goodness, we have this nice metal bucket. I love the rope handles. Okay, that's exciting. Set that right there. And one last thing, we have a pig-shaped cutting board. These are going to be so much fun. Okay, this is going to take me a few days to put something together. I hope you like what I have coming up. Stick with me. Let's have some fun.